Leadership. The role that rugged individualists were born to take charge of. Where folks come to drive hard, drive fast, and break shit. Where the brave come to play, and only the strong stay to thrive.
Just kidding. In reality, leadership is far less glamorous. We never get to be rugged individualists, but we do wear a lot of hats. We're part mechanic, ensuring the machine we are responsible for is running smoothly. If it isn't, we must get curious without jumping to conclusions. Just because we get an alert on the dashboard or hear an unfamiliar sound coming from the back, doesn't mean that's when or where the issue began. For example, if your team is experiencing a closing issue, the problem most likely began in your qualifying stage of your sales process. We're part navigator. It doesn't matter if the machine is running perfectly if we have no destination and we're driving around in circles. Or, if we're driving while looking in the rearview mirror, focused on what's already happened, we aren't going to make it very far. If you're fixated on managing results, you're attempting to manage the past. If you instead focus on activity, you're influencing the future. We must have a roadmap and pay attention to the signs in front of us to guide our journey. We're part crisis management. Inevitably, we are going to encounter unforeseen challenges. How we weather a storm or pivot when faced with a dead end is vital. Some things you can plan for, but not all. Focusing on staying present and connected versus panicking over the problem can help us show up for others in moments that weren't planned for. Finally, we are chauffeurs. As leaders, we are never alone. Our goal should always be to get those in our care to a destination they are excited about. In order to do so, we must guide them and lead them by example. It may seem like those in the back aren't listening, but they're there because they trust you to provide them with a well-oiled machine to navigate the course, handle the bumps in the road along the way, and ultimately get them where they need to go safely, and with a willingness to hand over the keys when they're ready.